We have our magnetic building blocks here. These come in a metal tin to keep them all organized with some fun pictures inside. Perfect for some geometry, educational, fun, magnets inside. Perfect for getting some learning motor skills and creativity.
There's 49 in the piece, and they are construction themed. You can see there's like a brick wall, there's gray concrete looking walls. There's actually blocks that look like people, cones, tractors, trucks, light posts, dirt. The ideas are endless. They're magnetic and portable, designed for ages 3 and up.